This story of a woodcutter. Once there was a woodcutter. His name was Ramlal. He had been working in a company for the last 5 years, but he never got the reach. At the same time, company had another person whose name was Shyamlal. Shyamlal got the reach within a month. Particular this thing caused resentment in Ramlal. Ramlal immediately went to his boss and asked, "Sir, how that person got the reach within a month? I am working in my company for the last 5 years, but I haven't got the reach. Sir, what's the reason behind it?" Boss told him, "My dear son, you are cutting for same number of trees you were cutting for 5 years ago. We have a company, our oriented company wants a result." Ramlal came back and tried to cut more and more trees, but he was unable. He again to his boss and asked, "Sir, what should I do?" Boss told him, "My dear son, something might be there. You and I don't know. But Shyamlal ought to know. Now you go to Shyamlal. This is better for you." Ramlal immediately went to his friend Shyamlal and asked, "Shyamlal, how do you manage to best more and more trees?" Shyamlal told him, "My dear friend, after tree I cut, I rest for 2 minutes. Each time I sharpen my axe. When was the last time you sharpen your axe?" He got an answer. This question is home like a bullet, and he got an answer. He was sharpened his axe for 5 years ago. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Now is the turn of Savita. Savita, please come on the stage. Savita will tell you what about the children. Monday. What does it mean for a child? Tuesday. What does it mean for a child?
Good evening, everyone. I'm going to recite a poem. Monday to Sunday. Monday, child is full of faith. Tuesday, child is full of grace. Wednesday, child is full of hope. Thursday, child has far to go. Friday, child is loving and giving. Saturday, child works for his living. Sunday, child is full of joy as he makes the life enjoy. Thank you so much.
Now is the turn for Ankur Sharma. Ankur will speak out some slogans.
If you want to be extraordinary, just be ordinary. Winner is not the person who wins the prize, but the person who offers himself for the endless fight. Your attention is right, everything is right. Your attention is wrong, everything is wrong. Good teachers teach. Good teachers don't teach by books. They teach by heart. Thank you.
Kavita, please come on the stage. Kavita will let you know about parts of speech.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Kavita. The list of parts of the speech. Noun. Noun is a word which is used to the name of person. Example, Ashok Vihar, its example, Ashok Vihar, laptop, pets. Pronoun. Pronoun is a word which is used to place of person. Example, him, her, etc. An adjective. Adjective is a word which is used to qualify or describe either noun or pronoun. Example, wonderful, handsome, smart, etc. Verb. Verb is a word which is used to express and emotion, relation. Example we have Example: run, go fast, quick, etc. Adverb: adverb is a word which is used to qualify or disqualify of a verb. Example: come, go, quick, etc. Preposition is a word which is used to set the relation between noun or pronoun. Example: him, her, it, that, etc. Interjection is a word which is used to join two sentences. Example: in, into, it, etc. Conjunction is a word which is used to suddenly feeling. Example: oh my god.
कविता तैयारी अच्छी नहीं थी। कुछ एक बच्चे ऐसे भी होते हैं जो अटेंटिव नहीं होते। नेक्स्ट टाइम आई होप कि कविता तैयार होगी आएगी। लेकिन आज कविता ने क्या किया, कहीं गीत, कहीं का रोड़ा और कविता ने कुर्बा जोड़ा। Anyhow, Dipti, please come on the stage.
Good evening, all of you. There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Noun is a word which is as the name of person, place, or thing. Example: Ram is the name. Ashok Vihar is the place, and laptop is the thing, etc. Pronoun is a word which is used in the place of noun. Example: him, his, her, etc. Adjective is the name. Adjective is the word which is used to qualify or not qualify either noun or pronoun. Example: smart, beautiful, ugly, etc. Verb, etc. Verb is a word which is used to express an action and emotion. Example: come, go, etc. Adverb is a word which is used to qualify or not qualify of a verb. Example: slow, fast, etc. Position is a word which is used to set of relation between noun, pronoun, or a thing. Noun, pronoun, or a thing. Example: it, into, ever, flow, etc. Conjunction is the name of person. Conjunction is a word which is used to join word and clauses. Example: either or, neither nor, but not only, etc. Interjection is a word which is used to some expression, some sudden feelings. Example: oh, ouch, and oh my god.
Thank you. Now is the turn of Dibu. Dibu, please come on the stage. He will narrate a story.
Good evening, friends. Good evening.
Good evening.
Once
Once there was a farmer in Africa. His name was Hafiz. He was happy. He was happy and content because he was content. He was content. One day a wise man came and asked, my dear friend, do you know the glory of diamond? Do you know the glory of diamond? If you have a diamond the size of your country, you would have your country at that night. At last the farmer couldn't sleep the whole night at walking. The farmer was unhappy. He was discontent. He was discontent because he was discontent. Next day, early in the morning, he made in arrangement to sell off his family and diamond, but couldn't find any. Eventually, he threw particular river and commented back on the person who bought Hafiz. The wise man said, no sir, but why are you asking this question? Then the wise man said, just stones for diamonds arising. Indeed they were all diamond. What is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is that grass on order always greener. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite Preet, come on the stage.
How you can win if you don't begin? If your intention is right, everything is right. If your intention is wrong, everything is wrong. If you want to be an extraordinary, just be ordinary. Good teachers don't teach by books, they teach by heart. Winner is not the person who wins the prize, but the person who offers himself for the endless fight.
Thank you. Please come on the stage.
Good evening. I am Neat. Winner is not the person who wins the prize, but the person who offers himself for the endless fight. How you can win if you don't begin? Nothing is impossible in this life. As the word says, as the life says,